Oh, marami, marami. Siyempre number one yung financial abundance kasi 'di ba
Hmm,
before, my life is just working, parang ano ako robot 'di ba? You wake up, you go
mm,
to work, and then you go
mm,
home 'di ba, gano'n. Pero since joining the business, malaki yung ano, yung travel for me. Kasi before I wasn't even traveling and I wasn't
mm,
really, I wasn't focusing on myself kasi yung focus ko family, pero I wasn't even like
personal.
I wasn't giving myself time to relax, ganon. Pero since joining the business, I noticed na I've been traveling twice a year. I also learned a new skill that was outside of my comfort zone.
Mm,
And then also being able to help my community and as a coach, being able to help or being able to give hope to yung mga parents, moms, and people who are desperate or parang just giving them hope and being able to help them set up their successful online business. It's a rewarding feeling for
yeah.
me.